myself in the viewfinder because I have like a janky home setup and the light gets in the way, but it's kind of dark, so sorry. You're the worst. Yeah, I got bangs. I don't know how I feel about them yet. I kind of hate them, so let me know in the comments if you also hate them. Here's the tea. I redid my bathroom, and that's what this video is about. I have been living in this house for almost like 9-10 months. I don't know. Time is irrelevant in 2020. But the bathroom has always been like ugly, and that's it. That's all I have to say about that. We tried to paint it this green color. It didn't work. I hated it. So I got this idea to paint it this green color and do these wood panels that I saw, and it ended up looking so good. I'm so excited to show you guys. Like, I probably spend most of my time in the bathroom because I take baths in there that are way long, like every day. So the bathroom's super important to me, and so having it done and having it look actually like bomb has been 10 out of 10. I'm very excited for you guys to see it. I try to explain things a little bit more in this video instead of just like half-assed hobbies, even though I still half-ass a lot of things. There's definitely some more explaining. I tried, okay? I tried to explain. I don't even know what I'm doing, let alone how to explain what I'm doing. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. What's up, cuties? We are back at it again. Just kidding. This is not Call Her Daddy, and this is also a DIY hobby wholesome channel. This was my ugly bathroom, and I turned it into this spa moment. And even though I barely know what I'm doing here, I'm going to teach you guys how to do it because I think we all deserve spa moments in our bathroom. So let's get to it. So today I'm going to tackle this bathroom, I guess. It's the election and my work gave me a day off and I need something to distract myself. I'm sure there'll be an intro. I just wanted to say first you got to get on some clothes that you don't give a shit about. And then I have all my supplies right here. I've really never painted a house by myself. Or painted a wall by myself. I usually have my brother do it, but he had to run an errand, so let's get started. Okay, so the plan is to leave this wall white but repaint it because it's not all the way finished. As you can see, there's still some blue showing through, and then I'm going to paint all these little fixtures gold, and that one gold, and these little knobs gold, and then we will be getting a new shower curtain, even though I love this one, it's just not going to match anymore. And then I'm going to be painting this ugly green wall, and we're going to be painting it an olive green color. Yeah, and then we're going to be doing like some wood paneling on this wall. So hopefully that looks cool. And then maybe backlight some of that paneling so that when I take a selfie, it looks really, really good. This is me taping the walls. This is a very important step in painting walls. If you don't know this, I'm flabbergasted. But yeah, so when you're doing this, you just want to make sure you're getting the very edges and that you're pushing down super firm on the tape. This is me mixing the paint with the drumstick because I didn't get a paint mixer because I'm kind of dumb. So yeah, you just get all your supplies. I actually got this paint in the clearance bin. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a clearance bin with paint that people decided not to get for some reason. So that's where I got this. It was $7, so I love that. So first you're going to paint the edges where you just taped with just a paintbrush. At least that's what I do first. You're just going to want to make sure that that doesn't go on too thick, because if it's too thick, when you peel away the tape, it's going to look pretty globby and horrendous. Kind of like how my bedroom looks right now because I didn't pay that close attention. But yeah, this is my brother that I called in for reinforcement. I don't know why this clip is in here. I'm actually going to delete the rest of it. So here is my cellulite and myself painting with that little roly brush thing. I don't know what the name is. Is it a roller brush? Anyway, I don't know if this is real, but I was always taught that when you do this, you want to do it in kind of like Z motions, V motions, that way that you don't get any streaks. So that's what I'm doing here. Now we have moved outside to stain the wood. Now we pre-measured this wood and just got pine wood at Home Depot, and then we had them cut it at the exact measurement that we needed. That's half-assed hobbies for you. I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to get a saw and do that. So I just measured. They did it. Here I am mixing the stain with a drumstick again because I didn't get a mixer. Anyway, so what you want to make sure you do when you're staining the wood is do the ends first, because if you don't, they kind of get drips on them and they just don't look as even. And then I'm just going through and lightly painting on that color
And I actually enjoyed staining a lot, and I would recommend it to all y'alls.
Couldn't be me being too lazy to take this off the tripod for this part. But the paint is dried, so we're ready to take off the tape, which is monumental because I haven't been able, oh my god, my light, to take off tape in so long. Well, yeah, because I'm lazy. And then I'm going to show you kind of what the wood's going to look like. Okay, let's get to it. Hello? Okay, so now that that's done, the wood is gonna kind of go like, this will probably be like the last one that's kind of where I measured it, and then it'll be like a 1/2 inch to 1 inch spacing between. And I've been trying to set this up so you guys can see, but it's actually extremely difficult. So kind of like that, but against the whole wall. I think it's gonna look so cute. Like, look at this. Look at when I take a selfie, how cute that's gonna be. Like, that's gonna be adorbs.
So here comes the night that we decided to put the wood on the wall. We thought we were just gonna glue it, me dancing, but that didn't work. But my brother's using a level here just to make sure that it's going on perfectly straight. This is my brother's friend Nick putting on the wood glue. We definitely thought this would work, but since the wall is warped itself, the glue, like, it wouldn't stick. So we had to go buy an air compressor from Walmart, and by we, I mean I had
to. Beautiful.
That was Jansen being cute. So here we are lining up the wood, and we're just using that little block piece on the top and the bottom. So we have one person holding on the top and one person on the bottom, and then one person doing a nail gun. Now, if you don't have 2 other people to do this with you, we did it fine with 2 people the next day, but it was so much easier with 2 people, and it was the exact spacing that I wanted. And here's us switching off who gets to use the nail gun because we were all very excited to use power tools while indulging in some adult beverages. But yeah, it was pretty easy.
Aiming for my fingers, Anna?
Yeah. I want a casualty. It's how we're gonna get famous on YouTube.
I don't.
Someone needs to lose a hand.
Take the gun from my hands. For the followers.
For the clout. I'm like, sponsored by Busy, who loves to have you have power tools and drink their seltzers.
Finish this job up.
That scream you just heard was pure fear. Now this is me taking off all the knobs and painting them with that Martha Stewart liquid gilding. You know I had to put liquid gilding in here again. And I painted everything gold, so that's me taking a lot of time to paint gold. And then here's me not removing the sink because I'm too lazy and just cleaning it so I can paint it gold.
I'm too lazy to get this out of the...
I just like that you have a rubber band sponge.
Yeah, it's because they have no more brushes like this, but this brush works the best, so I had to make my own.
I love makeshift, half-assed.
We love it here.
I will let you know the only reason that I felt confident enough to do this is because I found out that nail polish remover takes off liquid gilding off ceramic, and so anytime I spilled, I just used a nail polish remover and just a little cotton ball, and it came off like that. So I really wanted to get this video done today, and so I removed this sconce, I think is what it's called, all by myself and decided to do electrician work. And although it was like a lot harder, or it was a lot easier than I thought it would be, I messed up a couple times just because I didn't Google anything and didn't know the steps. But this is me just taking it off, and then just make sure that your power's off while you're doing this, and because electricity.
Okay, so I've had to redo this sconce about 12 times because I'm an idiot. But I think we're on the home stretch. It's hanging right now, but it's a little lopsided, so I need to fix that. But I did check the wiring works. Let's get back to it.
So here I am. I finally got a power drill because for some reason where the old sconce was like hitting a screw, so it wasn't going in straight and it wouldn't let me put in the new sconce all the way. So I had to do it a little bit lower and drill a new hole, but it ended up looking fine, and you'll see that in just a second.
Yes. Holly, that's light. Okay, so it looks loads better.
Okay, so this is me giving you like a tour. It's really hard because my bathroom's so small to get like the full 360 on a DSLR camera, but the wood ended up looking so good. The sconce ended up looking so good. I loved the paint color that I chose. By chose, I mean it was on sale for $7 and picked. I just think it brings a whole new vibe to this bathroom, and I even got a new shower curtain, which is exciting. But yeah, I feel really good about it. I'm super happy, I'm super thrilled, and I think I'm going to put a little hanging basket where that green strip is, but we'll see. I'll probably do a DIY on that. But yeah, that's all.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like my bathroom. Next, I'll be showing my bedroom makeover. I'm super excited about it. If you're wondering why I'm not doing hobbies with people right now, it's because Utah's actually on lockdown, like not a very strict lockdown, but you're not supposed to be hanging out with anyone outside your house. So since my brother helps me with these, I guess you'll see him. And these are his hobbies. He loves painting and like DIY, like home decor. I can show you his room and some stuff he's done. So yeah, that's why I'm not doing hobbies with people right now. I spent so much work doing this. So like this video, please comment on this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, please. I'm very excited to show you guys my bedroom makeover. It's super cute, I love it. And I was so excited to show you guys this video because it's like one of the first times I've done something that actually ended up looking dope. Subscribe, please, I'm bugging. So subscribe to my channel, please. I have things I hate, please.